तो आखिर क्यों तलविंदर अपना चेहरा कभी नहीं दिखाते हैं? क्यों तलविंदर पहनते हैं मास्क? क्या तलविंदर इंस्पायर है शक्तिमान और मिस्टर इंडिया से? तलविंदर आजकल काफी ज्यादा सुर्खियों में है। सबसे बड़ी वजह है उनका और दिशा पाटनी का लिंकअप। तो वहीं पर आपको बता दें, तलविंदर के गाने जितने फेमस हैं, साथ साथ उनकी अनोनिमस आइडेंटिटी को भी लेकर फैंस बहुत ज्यादा वंडर करते हैं और ये भी चाहते हैं कि तलविंदर अपना रियल फेस भी जरूर दिखाएं। तलविंदर is known for his mask in music and he actually opened up about the inspiration behind his iconic stage persona, revealing why he chooses to perform behind a distinctive guise. Talvinder definitely has been making headlines lately for his reported relationship with actress Disha Patni. तो वहीं पर आपको बता दें, जब से तलविंदर नुपुर सैनन और स्टेपिन बेन की उदयपुर शादी पर नजर आए हैं, तब से वो सुर्खियों में बने हुए हैं। तो वहीं पर आपको बता दें कि तलविंदर has long been a subject of intrigue for a very different reason. His distinctive stage persona marked by face paint and masks. तो वहीं पर उनका म्यूजिक तो बहुत ज्यादा पसंद किया जाता है, लेकिन यही फेस मास्क उनकी आइडेंटिटी का एक हिस्सा है। और अब द सिंगर has finally opened up about the inspiration behind the mask and why he chose to perform behind a guise. हाल ही में तलविंदर ने दिया एक इंटरव्यू जिसमें he actually spoke about the origins of his masked persona and the psychology behind it. Explaining what inspired the concept, he said, "The mask is low-key inspired by Shaktiman, Mr. India, Superman, Joker, because you can't do the craziness when you know that your neighbors are watching. Your closed ones are watching, so you need an alias." He went on to add that cultural perceptions also influenced his choice. "For me, I did not want to be one of those artists who get labeled as besharam. I thought it was better to play it safe because I take a lot of pride in my music." पर तलविंदर ने अपने लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस की बात की और साथ साथ डिफरेंट कल्चर्स में अपने एक्सपोजर की भी बात की और किस तरह से उन्होंने इस चीज को लिया है। तलविंदर ने कहा, "I knew I wanted to switch things up. California's history, its connection to Mexico, Halloween being everywhere, it all played a role. When it came to choosing the mask, I knew it had to be a skull because it's universal. I wanted people to think whenever they see a skull." तलविंदर के गाने नहीं सुने यार काफी दिनों से। For the singer, the mask goes far beyond aesthetics. It's a psychological tool both for him and for his audience. I love the psychology behind things. I feel it should be more fun, and if you have people's attention, you should play with it a little. Give them something new. Don't repeat what everyone else is doing. Shock them a bit. Expand their thinking. That's always been my approach. वैसे तो अब तलविंदर के unmasked face की भी videos online circulate हो रही हैं. But the mystery has actually faded for many fans, but insisted that it has not changed its purpose. पर तलविंदर ने अपने इस unmasked चेहरे पर भी बात की और कहा, "Yes, people might know what I look like now, and honestly, I don't care. To those who love my music, I just want to say this does not affect me or change anything. I just want to make music, and the music itself will give them all the answers." The singer was equally firm about why the mask remains an essential part of his live performances. "If you come to watch me sing, you'll have to face the mask. The other guy, the real me, just wants to live a normal life and pay his bills. This guy exists to satisfy the world and handle all the noise and chaos. So yes, the mask will always stay." Fans को हमेशा से लगा था कि शायद तलविंदर कभी ना कभी तो अपना फेस रिवील करेंगे ही, but things did not unfold as expected following the viral spread of his unmasked video. तलविंदर ने ये भी बोला, "I was working on something. We do like a reveal in the future, but it was kind of snatched away from me. We will see." इसी कॉन्वर्सेशन के दौरान he also addressed the viral clip and said, "It was never about that I am never going to show my face. I am not playing hide and seek with the world. It was just like leave me alone. Just focus on what I am giving to you. That's the public property. This is not." So when that video came out, I saw that and it spread like wildfire. तो वहीं पर वायरल वीडियो के बाद तलविंदर पर काफी फर्क भी पड़ा, क्योंकि तलविंदर ने कहा, "You literally just killed somebody's little goal, little thing that they were working on, a little psychology trick with the audience. So for me, I felt really heartbroken." तलविंदर के इस इंटरव्यू से तो काफी सारी चीजें रिवील हो गई और साथ साथ क्यों वो हमेशा अपना फेस पेंट करके भी रखते हैं।